appreciate you netting the fish for me, man. I really do. Thank you.
That's your first one today?
Yeah.
Was that on artificial?
Yeah, artificial. He swallowed both of them in there.
Nice.
He really wanted it.
Ooh, what size is it, about 17?
Yeah, I'm guessing 17.
Yeah,
I'll measure him.
Pretty.
Oh yeah. He's a fat one too.
Yeah, he is.
Let's see if this thing turn around real quick. There we go. He's 17 and a half.
17 and a half, huh?
Yeah, 17 and a half.
Pretty good estimate.
Oh yeah. I'll get the nut. I want to knit it. See how big he is. Yeah, oh, he has to be big. Oh yeah, that's a big one. Oh, he's a big, big one. Gotta pick it up. Be careful. Be careful. Oh, that's a monster. Oh yeah, that's a big one. Dang, that's a good one. That's at least a 23 or 24. That's a monster. Good job on that one, man. I think I got one. Hopefully I do. Oh yeah? He got it, but I want to make sure he eats it. I'll wait it out a little bit. On. Yeah. Hopefully he'll keep. It's pretty close. We'll see. Okay, let's see how big he is if he stops flopping around. He's having a field trip. Hold on right here. He's being really difficult right now. This is acting more crazy than the other one. He is 14 and a quarter.
14 and a
There you go, bro.
Yeah, there we go. Perfect.
Nice.
There you go. Pull him up, pull him up, pull him up. There you go. Oh yeah. That's a 15 right there. Yeah, that's a 15 for sure. Something said boom, like super hard. Yeah, I got something. You see the weight on it? Yeah, I got something else. Yeah, he hit it aggressive. I don't know if he's big, but he hit it really hard. See the rod bend? See how he gives up? That's how you know you have a flounder. Oh yeah, it's a flounder for sure. He just hit it really hard. Yep. Yeah, you see him moving right now?
Jonas, you got another one.
He just hit it again. See the little whirlpool right there?
Okay.
I'm getting some line so he can eat it. He's running away with it right now. Let's see if I can get him. That's a good one. You don't want to come up? Oh, that's a nice one. That's a doormat. I told you he hit it super hard, man. Man, this is a good one. Oh yeah. Real good one. Oh yeah. That's what I came out here for.
There you go.
Oh yeah. He hit both of them again, so he ain't going nowhere. He's coming. Ah, he's taking all my drag. Oh man. It was a good fight too. Where's he at? He's coming up. Oh, be careful, be careful. He's coming. appreciate that. I wouldn't have been able to land that for nothing, dude.
Man.
Damn.
Look at that, Jonas.
That's a slab. That's what I came out here for, man.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Man, I get invested to those. Look at
Very
that.
big.
Oh yeah, that's a big one.
Maybe 24.
I hope so.
Wow.
Alright, let's measure him real quick, see how big he is.
I think doesn't fit in the room.
Yeah, it's gonna go past it, right?
Maybe.
Oh yeah, definitely. Look at that.
I got
Almost.
24.
24.
Yeah, 24.
Wow. Look
Yes,
at that,
man.
man. All right. Nice. Nice.
Yes.
Wow.
Man, that's a slab.
24.
Yes.
Beautiful.
This is gonna be my Black Friday right there.
That's it.
Yeah, it's a small one. I didn't know you had a fish.
Thank you.
There you go, no problem.
Thank you very
Finish one. I'm heading out. Another 24 and a 17 and a half. Pretty good day for Thanksgiving. Came out here late in the evening, around 4 o'clock. Caught my first one around, say 4:30. I caught the other one about 4:45. Then I hooked up to this one about 5:30, 5:45. So it wasn't too active, but it was alright. And it was an incoming tide. I'm gonna see what it says for the temperature, so I can let y'all know. Because I haven't been doing that, even though I should. Right now it says 59 degrees outside. Wind speed's 5. And I'll go ahead and show you the tides I use real quick. And it's tides for fishing. And see, submit, okay. How the tide was going out. Oh dang, it's loading. Alright, you see that? It low tide at 12:29, high tide at 9:28. So I was fishing between, you see those little fishes there at? That's where I was fishing. So this is the app I use, Tides for Fishing. Well, it's not an app, this is online. And I go through Galveston Pier 21 because that's the closest place around here. But those are my slabs. Hope you like this video, and hopefully I'll hook up to some more nice ones.